Hello, here's another tutorial for you on the Team Workspace Template. This will be a quick one. We're going to go over the Doc Center. This is just an extra page that I've created for you um, to keep track of any documents or things that you just want to have available at all times. This is different from notes and reports, where notes and reports are usually temporary, limited time period thing, versus the Doc Center is meant to be a library of information that you can go back to at any point and access. So an example of this would be like we have for our team, we have an Italian songbook. That way our students can kind of go in when they maybe have some free time and they want to start learning some lyrics to the songs that we sing in church, things like that. Maybe I'm just going to type things out here, or maybe there's a file or something that I want to embed here in this section. You can always do that here as well. And so basically it's just a place for you to keep information. Maybe it's actually a Spanish notebook for those of you in Mexico City. Or maybe this is a lesson that you found on how to teach English or how to plan a devotion. Maybe resources that you want to have available to your staff or to your students regularly that they can go back to at any point and refer to. It's pretty simple. Say that there's a file here, you can just add the file there. And that way you have this beautiful little gallery set up here of whatever docs you want available. Now, right now, it is not set to be shared onto the students' profiles as Doc Center. So what you can do if you would like to do that is basically you'll need to make sure that they have access to this page by clicking, adding them in here on Share. And then you will need to, when you go to their profile, there's a spot for resources. So say for team member 1, I'm going to add this page. And all I need to do is just go here under resources, and I'm going to click link to page, which is a block. And then I will find the Doc Center for that. So that's taken care of. Now they can access it, and as long as they are shared in to see this page, then they will be able to click on it. If they are not shared, then this thing right here will show up as untitled and will not be able to be opened by this person. So just make sure that they have access to the Doc Center. Or you can also do the same thing that I just did if you only want them to have access to a certain document that's in the Doc Center. So say it's the Spanish workbook, then I'll just go in here to the Spanish workbook or songbook and add in who I want to have access, and then I just go back to their profile and add a link to this page onto their profile. So that's all for that, and we'll see you at the next one.